Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to concatenate date and text in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. The easiest way to concatenate date and text is to use the ampersand sign. We write the equal sign, enter the first cell and the second one through the ampersand sign. We press enter and the cell data is combined, but the data has been converted to some number. Spoiler, this is how Excel stores all the dates. To prevent this from happening, we will slightly change the formula and use the text function with the second cell. First, add a space in quotation marks between the cells so that there is a space between the text and the date. Now we type the text function. The first argument to this function is the date, and the second argument is the format of that date. For example, months, days, and years. And we'll separate them with a dash. This is also acceptable. Press enter, and as you can see, the data and the text are concatenated. Everything is very simple. Additionally, if required, the years, months, and days can be rearranged in any order. For example, years, days, months, or some other way. The main thing is that Excel understands what should be first, second, or third. That's all. Now you know more. Thanks for watching.